National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, eastern Clay County, Ray County, southeastern Caldwell County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hull to near Kearney to Glaucoma, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and